A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for JAMAICA'S game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know that.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S game here with another reaction. Ooh. Today we're with Likkle Vybz and Vybz Kartel, yeah, man, father and son, with Rich Again remix. Yes. That one I dropped a couple days ago. I was supposed to react to it yesterday, but I don't know say father yesterday. So I'm just chill out. So we're back with it in the Monday week. Yeah. So I'm gonna jump in it and see what I got. Let's go. Likkle Vybz Kartel, Rich Again remix. Let's go. Hold on.
This are the remix.
No, I never. Pick up yourself.
The remix.
Remix.
This are the remix. Remix.
Who that? Likkle teacher. Likkle Vybz. Oh! Alright.
This your diamond. Little fucker, it's my island. Spliff gas 5 gun, bitch about to me like my is my idol. UTG is my life and AMG is my drive and millionaire for my jeans, cause I'm one. Millionaire, now my jeans, ask my bank. Live my life and anything.
Millionaire in my teens, ask my bank. You feel it's a joke? Spliff cost we cost 5 grand. Pussy glad, highest of the high. Rizzy, big up. Remix. Alright.
This your diamond. Little fucker, it's my island. Spliff gas 5 gun, bitch about to me like my is my idol. UTG is my life and AMG is my drive and millionaire for my jeans, cause I'm one. Millionaire, now my jeans, ask my back. Live my life and anything I say that is quite final. Femme gal, my gal, old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds.
Oh, buckler. Femme gal, my gal. Femme gal, your girl is my girl.
Live my life and anything I say that is quite final.
Final.
Femme gal, my gal, old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds.
Whoa.
Blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. Corrupt your fuck, but I still have to buy some carrots. Them healthy, my vision, no blind man. I see every play like a coach. I'm in my bag. Bitch again. I see every play like a coach. I'm in my bag.
Russian.
Bitch again. Bitch a popular, get lit again.
Lit again.
What more, yo, sing a them. Spend $1 million at the place and me still a spend.
Rich again.
Chopped up, anybody move them a see heaven. Dollar car, you know see if them. My kick in a hand, so me wave.
Talk to them, Addy.
Likkle Vybz Island. Big vibes with it, whirling on my hand. Top striker, kick past lines, man. When we done, grab a thick girl nightstand. Room, no, she's my nightstand. Trick and
grab a girl at nightstand, carry her home, she's like that. Yo, what?
big vibes with it, whirling on my hand. Top striker, kick past lines, man. When we done, grab a thick girl nightstand. Room, no, she's my nightstand. Trick and dumb fish right pan the night long.
Oh, Three condom the night long. At least 3 round you get. At least. Hey! Oh, buckland! That one bad. Fire verse from both artists. Father, son. Ready again. Right?
This your diamond. Little fucker, it's my island. Spliff gas 5 gun, bitch about to me like my is my idol. UTG is my life and AMG is my drive and millionaire for my jeans, cause I'm one. Millionaire, now my jeans, ask my bank. Live my life and anything I say that is quite final. Femme gal, my gal, old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds. Blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. Corrupt your fuck, but I still have to buy some carrots, them healthy.
Man say blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. What?
Femme gal, my gal, old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds. Blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. Corrupt your fuck, but I still have to buy some carrots, them healthy, my vision, no blind man. I see every play like a coach, I'm in my bag. Bitch again. Bitch a popular, get lit again. Put more, yo, sing a them. Spend $1 million at the place and me still a spend.
Hold on.
Diamonds, blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. Corrupt your fuck, but me still have to buy some.
Look, listen to that paper word there. Blood diamonds, my black brother mind them. Corrupt your fuck. Yo, you know man, listen, genius, bro, listen.
Feed gal, my gal, old gun, new gun, big cars, diamonds.
If you don't notice, we make it run for a bit because we don't want to part of the process. We go back to it.
Blood diamonds, my black bread, I mind them. Corrupt your fuck, but me still have to buy some. Carrots them healthy, my vision, no blind man. I see every play like a coach, I'm in my bag. Bitch again, bitch a popular, get lit again. Quote more, yo, sing a them. Spend $1 million at the place, and me still a spend. Killer them strapped up, anybody move them, I see heaven. That I can't even see them. Fucking on us, so me weird them.
Likkle Vybz Island.
Big vibes with it.
Word in my hand.
Top striker, kick past lines, man. When we done, grab a thick girl, nice stand. Got a room, no, she's my nightstand. 3 condom fish right pan the night long. Yeah, she got a die from me, dick in her diaphragm. Me, I go Honolulu, my thick girl, nice stand. Got a room, no, she's my nightstand. 3 condom fish right pan the night long. Yeah, she got a die from me, dick in her diaphragm. Me, I go Honolulu, me, I fly from. Fat pocket, money anomatic, personal security, bigger tax bracket, private jets, what you say?
Listen to the confidence in that part, bro. Listen.
From me, dick in a diaphragm. Germany, me, I go Honolulu, me, I fly
listen,
from.
listen,
Fat pocket, money anomatic, personal
fat patic, money anomatic.
security, big Lulu, me, I fly from.
Listen.
Fat pocket, money anomatic, personal security, bigger tax bracket.
Bigger tax bracket, the manager say, yo, me make more money than you. So all you over there start chat, me make more money than you. My pocket full. Guess what it's full of? Big money, enough money, and a fat patic.
Fat pocket, money anomatic, personal security, bigger tax bracket. Private jets, what you say, no black traffic. Arena, me block it and give Swiss bank me profit.
Bumbo clot. Arena, me block it and give Swiss bank me profit. Swiss bank is a bank where outside of the place where you go play. It's an offshore bank. It's an offshore bank. You're not paying a whole heap of tax on the money. And that the man at yo.
Private jets, what you say, no black traffic. Arena, me block it and give Swiss bank me profit. You make a girl take a picture with me, you never.
Let me just telling you something. You see from Kartel forward out and drop comment and say, all in your forget that the inner your city that a couple milli. Everything we Kartel say right now, I believe. Every fucking thing the man say, believe, bro. Everything.
Arena, me block it and give Swiss bank me profit. You make a girl take a picture with me, you never know me would I get the pussy. Really? Stop it.
It all started from a picture. Now me live in her belly. Watch the picture.
You make a girl take a picture with me, you never know me would I get the pussy. Really?
Stop it.
All I say she love me no care if she a hacky. Cause me done get the pussy and she done something cocky.
All I said she love me not care if she a kid. Cause me done get it. Cause she done get it. And me done get it. Yeah.
All I say she love me not care if she a hacky. Cause me done get the pussy and she done something cocky.
Suck it.
In a bitch again, go get bitch again. Bitch a popular, get lit again.
Yo, this fucking sick.
Yo, sing a them, spend $1 million at the place and me still a spend. Killer them strapped up, anybody move them I see heaven. That I can't win a see them. Matic in the hand, so me wave them.
Bumbo clot. Yo, hear me I say. I don't know how Kartel do it. For all these years, they still remain on top. For all these years, they still remain relevant. For all these years, they still have fresh lyrics. For all these years, keep doing what he's doing, bro. Like, I don't know, bro. I don't know how. And Likkle Vybz, my God, that song, yeah, bro. This sick, bro. Your verse sick, your father verse sick, bro. The two are not, like, yeah, I don't know. Big up Likkle Adi, big up Likkle teacher. Likkle Vybz, that verse are sick. Kartel, that verse are sick, bro. Like, I don't know what he said that. I don't know what he fucking said, bro. Like, seriously. Yo! A bigger tax bracket. Fucking hell. Ramot Arena. What you say? Fuck out Arena. Give Swiss Bank my profit. Bumbleclot! Binds! Yo, hear me I say. Maybe no want to think about the one in that comment section. Because I go end the video and go listen to the song again. Because it's sick, bro. It's sick. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I'll see you down there, man. Peace. Pussy club.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, rock on earth.